couple of spots have managed to get back into the 60s. Brandon, one of them, at 66. You go from Hernando to Citrus County, upper 60s for those folks. Mid-70s, though, along the coast. So it's a very muggy, kind of mild start to the day. 70s across I-10. It's close to 80 over South Florida, and the humidity levels are sky high. That is not going to change. Next Wednesday, we may lower these dew point temperatures from the 70s to the mid-60s. That's about as low as it's going to go for the middle of next week. But when you get a dew point above 70, it's oppressive outside. You're feeling that humidity, and you'll have it all weekend long. Looking ahead, you know, just like yesterday, a couple of isolated inland storms. The thing today is this: Polk County, Highlands County, especially along Highway 27. The atmosphere is set up that if you get a thunderstorm, it could be very strong. Some gusty winds, the potential for some large hail. Limited, though, really to mostly that yellow area here. Orlando going back to Highway 27. In this marginal risk, this darker green, there could be one or two strong storms as well. Tampa to St. Pete to Sarasota, nothing again. Everything is going to be pushed inland for you this afternoon. However, you look at the next 7 days and, you know, the computer models are insisting rain, rain, rain. The majority of this rain is going to come down on Monday. Just want to let you know that. Today and tomorrow, scattered inland storms. A little more widespread on Sunday. Now, as we go into Mother's Day, and especially later in the day, into the evening hours, there's just a marginal chance that we get some excessive rain from Tampa northward. Really, I think the heaviest of the rain will be in this area shaded in yellow from Jacksonville all the way west to Panama City. Let's fast forward into Monday. Now, as you go into Monday, that slight risk for excessive rain gets pushed southward into our area, Pinellas, Hillsborough, Polk, and then areas to the north. And you're looking at the computer models, they're really beginning to accumulate the rainfall on Monday rather than Sunday. So here's Sunday. This is by Sunday night. Okay, Mother's Day is over. You had a great day. Going to bed Sunday night. Notice by that point, most of the rainfall's inland and north. Maybe some of those bigger thunderstorms over the weekend. Not much along the coast. But watch what happens on Monday. All of a sudden, wow, a lot of rainfall. 1 or 2 inches of rain coming down. A good soaking. And that's what we need because of the drought. And we'll get that, I think, on Monday around here. So you may go the whole weekend and not get a shower and then get 1 or 2 on Monday. But the point is, between now and Monday, a lot of central Florida, North Florida, get some drought relief. Very warm and steamy. A couple of isolated inland storms again today with a high around 89. Mild muggy tonight with a low of 76. Tomorrow back to 88 with a few of those inland storms in the afternoon. You also may notice tomorrow a little bit more cloud cover hanging around as well, just in general. Light chop on the coastal waters today, more of a moderate chop tomorrow and Sunday. Really good rain chance for Monday, and then we're done for a bit, okay? High temperatures Tuesday, Wednesday, mid-80s, back to the upper 80s for Thursday.